multimedia and graphic designing course for special needs people. In this course, we'll be using Inkscape software to do graphic design. This course is aimed at special needs people who are interested in learning about multimedia and graphic design. So what are the requirements for this course? You will need an internet connection to download Inkscape and a PC, your personal computer. There are no prerequisites for this course, so you don't need to worry if you don't have any experiences at graphic design, since I will be teaching you from the very beginning. So what is Inkscape? Inkscape is a free and open source vector drawing program and is equivalent to commercial packages such as Adobe Illustrator. The current version is version 1.1, and it is constantly being developed and upgraded. The project website includes tutorials, guides, and forums, and you can find more about it in the link below. So what are vector graphics? It is an artwork made up of points, lines, and curves that are based upon mathematical equations rather than solid color square pixels, as you can see from the image below. This means that no matter the size or how far zoomed in the image is, the lines, curves, and points remain smooth. Now, what are the learning outcomes? So you'll be able to use Inkscape and the basic tools of Inkscape, and you'll be able to create colorful and high-quality vector graphics such as logos, illustrations, infographics, and many more. So, in the next video, we'll start with our lesson 1, which is on how to download and install Inkscape.